How to delete your account from Discord. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'll be showing you the procedure to delete your Discord account. So what here you need to do is actually to delete your account, you simply want to make sure to follow these steps. So you'll not be able to use the app, so I'm going to use the browser version of it. So type in discord.com on the browser. So here it is. Now what you want to do is click on the login button. You could find it at the bottom, or you could just go ahead and tap on the menu bar, and if you could find it here, you just need to go ahead and click on Discord. Since I already have an app installed, so you could see that there's this option as open app, so you have to make sure to use the browser version of it. So type in your information, all that, and click on the continue button. So once you're logged into your Discord account, this is where the interface will take you. Click the U section from the bottom of the page, and then the gear icon from top right. And here you just need to scroll down and look for these options where you could find delete account. All right. So here it is. After which you want to go ahead and scroll down, and there you have the delete account section. So you go ahead and read the terms and conditions, all that, enter in the password and confirm it. And this way you'll be able to delete your account from Discord. So that's the way you could delete. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.